Hi, this is me, and you're watching King Trippings with my baby Arwen. Okay, so it's been a while. Ang tagal kong hindi nakapag-record. At dahil dyan, demonetize na yung channel natin. And yun nga. So, since may bago akong PC at meron akong konting oras, naisipan kong buhayin ang aking channel. So this will be my first comeback video, and today I will be doing a product review. I will link the product below dyan, anywhere dyan, so you can check it out kung magustuhan ninyo. This is not a paid product endorsement, so hindi ako bayad dito. Binayaran namin ito ng magkano dear? 800 plus. So this is it, dumating kanina. And it says Dear God Prayer Journal. Nakita lang din namin ito sa TikTok. Ay, TikTok ba? Hindi. Facebook. Buksan natin ngayon. Tignan natin kung ano nga ba ang kagandahan niya. And wait lang, Arwen. I'm dealing with something sharp here. So Daddy will have to be careful.
Don't touch on your finger.
Of course, my baby. I will not cut my finger.
You might get the jacket.
Tago na natin yung sharp object para hindi makuha ni baby. And here it is. Dear God Prayer Journal. Kung di ako nagkakamali, this one is the one for my wife. And ito siya. Pink. And mukha siyang premium yung design niya. Faux leather. Yan, makita nyo. Yan natin. Okay, here. At mukha namang maraming pages. Buksan na natin siya. Okay, so meron siyang mahabang tali. Mag-isagabal kaya ito, malalaman natin. So there. This one yung kay Mrs. Pink. It says here, this is the start of your journey towards a deeper relationship with God. Ayan, yung sa may embossed na part, be joyful in hope, patient, and affliction. Faithful in prayer. Romans 12:12. Okay. Nilagayan din ng ballpen. Kahit malaki yung ballpen mo, kasya kasi medyo malaki yung lagayan. Tapos maganda rin yung feel niya sa ilalim. Tapos nakatahi. Okay, so nakatahi talaga siya. Hindi siya yung tipong just.
Daddy, I'm growing.
Inside, so merong dear writer, how to use this journal. Tapos things you can pray for. So may spiritual growth and guidance, forgiveness and repentance, etc. Prayer requests. And another prayer. After that, ito na yung pinaka-gist o yung pinaka-content niya. Here.
Daddy.
So it will
My
guide us.
drawing.
Okay, you have a very good drawing, my Arwen.
Daddy, my paper.
Okay, let us arrange your paper. Pasensya na sa product review. Meron tayong bata dito makulit si. May bata tayong makulit si. Let us create a new canvas for my baby. So, ang ginagawa niya ngayon ay nagdo-drawing sa aking pen tab. Wait, Arwen. Pen tab habang ako ay nag-review. Sige ka. Alright, anyways, back to the topic. So yun, may nakalagay dito na
I want you.
today I'm grateful for sa pinakauna. Then I ask for your forgiveness. I'm surrendering all my fears and worries. And lastly, please take over in my needs. Tapos may mga verses. Siguro yung mga verse na to ay tungkol doon. Sabi sa una, I'm grateful. I will give thanks to the Lord with
Daddy,
all my heart. I will recount all of your wonderful deeds. Okay. What are you doing with your paper? Why is it always moving? Alright. Maganda naman, maganda yung ano niya, maganda yung papel. Maraming pages. And sa halagang 300 plus, almost same lang sa mga mabibili mo sa National Bookstore. However, feeling ko mas okay siya kasi unang-una, intended talaga siya for prayers. Bumabalik ka sa Panginoon. It would really help kung wala ka pang maayos na prayer time or prayer structure. I think this will really help to keep you tracked and disciplined to get to know Jesus and have a prayer time. It consists on those pages mostly, and tapos may mga intermission lang ng mga Bible quotes din, like trust in the Lord with all your heart and do not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways, acknowledge Him and He will make straight your path. Kung magusto ninyo ang product na ito, yung link is down in the descriptions below. Okay, muli, ito si King at you're watching Livings. Paalam and may God be praised. Bye! Okay, I'm back. Nakalimutan kong sabihin na meron nga po pala tayong iba't ibang color. Sa akin, since dalawa kami bumili, I've got the blue one, which my wife ang pumili. So, may pink, may blue. And kung hindi ako nagkakamali, may iba pang mga colors doon like brown, black, ata. So, yan. Gray? Green. Okay, may green daw. Okay, so, again, if you like it, links is in the description below. Bye-bye.